Ugh, I hate having to change my password. I don't have time for this.
Hey, Rebecca, did I hear you saying something about passwords?
Hey, Paxton, why do we have to change our passwords all the time?
Great question. The reason we require our employees to change their password is to make sure your account stays secure.
But coming up with new passwords is so hard.
Coming up with a secure password doesn't have to be difficult. The easiest way to do it is to think of something that only you know and make a phrase out of it.
So I could use my dog's name?
Oh, you mean Lucy?
Where'd you get that?
You post pictures of your dog online all the time. No, it's best to make it something hard to guess. Or, instead of using Lucy, you could use something like, Lucy the cutest dog jumped over the pool too! Adding extra words, along with numbers and special characters, makes it much harder to guess, even if you know the information.
But how am I supposed to remember it? Could I write it down in a notebook?
You mean this notebook?
Where'd you get that? Were you in my office?
No, I wouldn't write it down on physical paper. There's plenty of password manager applications out there, and iPhones even have one built in. The difference between those and paper is that they're encrypted and secure, so it makes it a lot harder for somebody to get to that password.
That makes sense. But now that I have a strong password, could I use it for everything?
Definitely not. Reusing passwords across multiple accounts is a hacker's dream. If they manage to get into your email, they could get into your credit card, your online banking, your phone, or any account that uses that same password. It's best to use a different secure password for every single website.
Wow, Paxton, thanks for answering all my questions.
No need to thank me, just doing my job. We're always here to help, so if you think of any other questions, just let me know. Thank you for joining us for this month's Helpful Hints. If you think of any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call or let us know next time you're in one of our branch locations. Have a great day.